Hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen, where you need to go out and grab some tomatoes, because today I'm making a tomato pie. It's Jim's Kitchen, making and tasting yummy foods. It tastes oh so yummy. This tomato pie is an old vintage recipe from the late 1800s. It is a southern recipe and could be found in a lot of southern cookbooks. They also made a green tomato pie, which is a very similar recipe but slightly sweeter in taste. So to make this pie, it is pretty simple. You just need to get yourself a store-bought pie shell, and you need to put it in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes before putting your ingredients in the shell. You need to slice 4 tomatoes. Put those tomatoes in a colander and sprinkle a little salt on them and let them sit for about 10 minutes. Grab a bowl. Add 1 cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and a cup of shredded sharp cheddar. Mix it up. Put your tomatoes on the bottom of the shell, like this. Add the cheesy mixture. And now I'm just going to bake it in a 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. See you soon. Hot out of the oven. And I need a few basil leaves. Rip some basil and place it on top of that pie. Let's slice it. Well, here it is. It kind of fell apart a little bit while putting it on the plate. But does it taste good? That's what matters. Let's find out. It's very creamy. The tomato really pops. And I'm not a huge sliced tomato fan, but I do love it mixed with this cheese and the creaminess inside of there. And I had a bit of basil at the end. That really helps it out as well. Tomato pie, it's top notch. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen. I will continue to make more vintage recipes. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. What is the best smelling tomato? Aroma tomato.